matter who you are, where you are, what your choices have been, and what karmic timelines and contracts you have journeyed, the light is calling for the reunification of all aspects of life in this realm now. It is calling for the cleansing of all polarities. It is calling for the rising of all sacred heart centers now. All are being summoned home to the greater light now.
Tiny boxes, many doors and hearts closed. People hungry, searching for more. Parents working, kids doing time in school. Time tracking, test keeping score. These are just some of the old earth's ways, struggling, racing, competing for more. Lack-filled living, never filling. Separation, sadness the core. Yet from a bird's eye view, we're all passing through times of dark and light, to expand anew, to rise up and through our boxes without light, to remember and reclaim our higher sight. For from a bird's eye view, the old and new fly beautifully into one. From a bird's eye view, the old and new merge brightly as rays of the sun. Box lids opening, hearts and souls filling. People rising, remembering what's true. Talent shining, children expressing the bliss of source, re-energized anew. These are ripely some of the new earth's ways, freeing, loving, harmonizing too. Light-filled living, abundance everywhere. Unity and love, blessing all that is good. So from a bird's eye view, an ancient clock rings, signaling it's time to shine. The wisdom soul song sing. We have traveled these journeys so far and so long, and simply forgotten how within all is one, all is one. Yet this bird's eye view sees the old and new fly beautifully now into one. From a bird's eye view, we know the old and new harmonize brightly as rays of the sun. Tiny boxes, infinite open skies, polar contrast merging as one. Every single aspect of our lives is now divinely calling us home. These are just signs of shifting times, unity, peace, and bliss for all, life with joy lives of collective ease, reunion of body, heart, mind, and soul. And from this bird's eye view, we're all passing through this new portal of light, to be birthed anew, to rise free like birds, spreading wings and taking flight into newness, loving wisdom, and new earth delight. So from this bird's eye view, the old and new fly heartfully into one. From a bird's eye view, the old and new shine clearly now as radiant rays of one sun.